Hey guys! I've been watching so much TikTok recently and I came across this makeup brand. I just bought it off Taobao and it just arrived. Look at this. This is just the parcel box that it came with. Look at it. It's so pretty. Okay, unbox it with me now. Let's open it. I'm so excited. And it comes in a nice gift box like that. These are all the things I got inside there. And these 4 items cost me about $68. Yeah. And I get this seat. So I bought a total of 4 items. The blush, highlight and contour palette, an eyeshadow palette, and a lip gloss. And then the other 3 items, the scrunchie, matte lip color, and this handheld mirror are free gifts. So now let's take a closer look at the items. Let's start with this one, the highlight and contouring palette. This is from an older chocolate series. Look at the packaging, it's so sweet. It is magnetic, and oh my god, look at this. This is so intricate. Look at this. There's a carving of a key, and then this looks like a chocolate bar, and then there's even a carving of a house. This is so pretty. I cannot bear to use it. Let's take a look at the next item. This is the eyeshadow palette. I got it in number 4, Mermaid Stream. Just look at this. Oh my god, the packaging. I think the packaging alone would make me want to buy it. And look at the colors. So pretty. So we have this 2 is matte shades, 2 shimmers, and a dark color. And then 2 is swoosh. Wow, the mattes are really powdery colored. Look at this purple shimmer and this peachy shimmer. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my goodness. I love the shimmers. Then we have this. This is the blusher. This is the one that I'm most excited about. It's an ombre blusher. I got it in shade 1, Snow Queen. Oh my god. There's a mermaid in the center. And then some other carvings at the side. Oh my gosh. So there's a pinkish tone, purple, and a peachy tone at the bottom. Okay, try the colors. Oh, it's very pastel light color. Wonder how it will show up on the skin. It's a very powdery finish. Makes the skin very smooth actually, but it doesn't show up much. But we'll see when I try it later. So the last item that I bought is a lip gloss. It's in shade GE8. Just look at that packaging. I am really impressed by that packaging. I'm so attracted to that packaging. Look at that color. It's like a dark movie brick color. Let's try. Oh, doesn't feel tacky, not like usual lip gloss, and actually has quite a nice high shine. Okay, this I'm very excited to try because I have very dry lips, and it doesn't feel dry and doesn't feel tacky. I don't like tacky glosses. So these are the 4 items that I bought. Now let's take a closer look at the free gifts that I got. Okay, I got a blue scrunchie, and then got this handheld mirror. Okay, the protective layer is still there. It's a hard plastic, feels quite heavy actually. And the last item is a matte lip mud, we call it, in the shade 7, number 7. Let's see. This is a darker shade, and it's supposed to be matte. Let's try. Oh, the color is so nice. It's quite similar color tone to the other one, just that this is matte. That's why it looks darker. And it doesn't feel drying on the hand. Not too sure how it feels on the lips. Okay, I'm quite excited about this 2 lip product, and also the blush and how it will turn out on the skin. So I'm gonna give it a try. I have my base and my foundation done. Now I'm gonna try out this products on my face first. I'm gonna go in with this. It's so pretty. I don't want to destroy it, but here it goes. This palette does have a chocolate smell, but it's not that bad. Don't want to destroy it, but here goes. Try this color and contour my nose. Actually looks quite light on the palette, but it does show on the face, on my cheekbone as well. On the chin, it's a very light powder contour, but it works. Okay. And next, we'll go in with some highlighter. This shade here. I'm just gonna put some on my nose bridge. Nose. And a little bit here. The purple blush. I'm not sure how it will show up on the face. I'm just gonna switch it. Let's try on the other side. This I was very excited, but seems like the color is not much. But let's see if we can build up more. The color payoff doesn't seem to be a lot, but I guess you can build up if you want to. We have eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna use this lavender for the base. It's so pastel that I think the color doesn't really show. And I'm gonna do a little bit of the blue. Oh, I actually like this mix. A little bit of this brown. A little bit at the bottom lash as well. There's this ombre effect. It's actually quite nice. I'm gonna finish up with some of the shimmer. I like the shimmer. No, so glittery. It's actually very smooth formula. I have finished up the rest of my makeup. I've tried to build up more of the blush. It does show up a little more, but still, I guess it's buildable if you want to. Then I'm gonna finish up with the lip gloss. It's a apple smell to it. Or is it strawberry? Not too sure, but okay. This is so moisturizing and it is not sticky. It's a very pretty color. So this is my completed look with all these products. Blush, the lip gloss, the contour and the eyeshadow. The blush has very pretty packaging and very pretty color, but the payoff is not that great, but it's buildable. As for the eyeshadow palette, I'm surprised by the colors. It actually gives a very soft look because it's so pastel. And the shimmer, oh my god, the shimmer is so soft and so glittery, but it's not the thick kind of glitter, and it still shows and you still can see. Oh my god, it's so nice, and it catches the light really well. For the contour, it does its work. It's a nice powder contour, but the highlighter shade, they do their highlighters, or should I say they do their shimmers really well. The highlighter really can catch the lights very well. And finally, the lip gloss. I'm surprised by this, seriously. It's not tacky and sticky like lip gloss texture usually is, which I hate so much. And then it's moisturizing and it has this nice shine. There's this nice shine to the lips. I really like it. I think I'll buy this again. So yeah, this is me trying out this very pretty makeup that I saw online. I was actually attracted by the packaging. I did not expect the payoff to be this, but yeah, I'm quite surprised by the payoff actually. And it's not that expensive, it's really quite affordable looking at the price. Thanks for watching.